Hello, it's Paul again. I am going to answer another quick question on webinars, and this is how to accept payment for registrations and allow your members in at the same time. So if you've got a members club or a community or a Patreon or something like that, you want those people to be allowed in, but you want to charge everybody else, right? So let's schedule a webinar, a private meeting, whatever we're going to call it, right? Schedule your webinar, put your times in. Required registration is required, right? Add your password if you want. You can do all this as normal, and then set it up, right? Schedule your webinar. So obviously you come down here, and you can charge your PayPal, right? That's not. I've got to put the wrong email address in. Right, charge your money, however much it is, right? It's $15 to enter. Save all. Here's your webinar link, right? So this is the place that they're going to come to pay. So these are non-members. They're going to come in, and as they sign up, they're going to be asked to pay. That's what you want non-members to be seeing, paid in to get in, right? Now, did I just close that? Oh no, it's over here. So what you need to do now to add your members is here. Come down to start the webinar. Invitations, right? Sorry, where was I? Copy invitation, send registrations. Sorry, it's here, right? So you're going to view the registrations. Right. Now this is why I might be getting asked this question quite regularly. When you have got PayPal switched on, you can't manually invite anybody. So at this point, before you share it with anybody, turn the PayPal off, save it, and what you'll get down the bottom now is import CSV, manage attendees, right? So you can add a list of attendees from in a CSV format, first column email, second first name, and the final one last name, right? So if you've got a spreadsheet, let me open I don't use Microsoft very often. Where's my damn spreadsheet? There it is. So if you've got a spreadsheet of your members, so however you've exported it from your members platform, so you're going to put in an email, test 1504 right, and then it's going to be first name, last name, so test Nico. Then I might have another one that's test 1505. So you're gonna have a CSV file where the first column's the email, the second column is the first name, and the second column is the last name, right? Right, you're gonna save this as a CSV. So come here and save it as a CSV, delimited. Right, save it as a CSV. So call it members CSV, right? You don't have to call it CSV, just call it members. It is a CSV, right? I'm going to save that, right? So it's saved. We're going to close it, and we're going to import it here. So here, email, first name, last name. Import and send invitation, right? If you want to. Members, here it is, members. Imported it, some data, 1 or 2 did not meet. Test, for the first one, it didn't like the first name, did it? So just check your data. Did I type something in wrong? So I'm not sure why it didn't like the first line. Fixed width header. But that's how you're going to get it in, right? So you take a little bit more time than me to make sure it's correct, right? So when I go to my email now, my member test has been emailed 1505 and has been given the information on how to log in with that email address, right? So now you want to go back and turn your PayPal on, right? So you got your registrars down here. If you then go back and click edit for your approval, charge your PayPal info and save, you're still going to get your registrations was allowed in, but now there's no place that you can import them. So if you need to re-import more, you would have to go back here, turn this off, turn it back on, and do it that way, right? So it's a little bit long-winded, but if you've got a list of people that you want to sign up or sign in on a spreadsheet, that's the, I wouldn't say the easiest way to do it, but that is the way to do it. Hopefully it makes sense. Any questions, fire them in the comments below on YouTube. Come to my training, my Zoom training. That's where people are asking the questions that I'm getting here. PNUK.co/Zoom training. Jump in, it's completely free. Ask any questions you've got. I'll always try and help. If this has given you any help at all, a subscribe would be awesome. Have a great day. See you soon.